Dude. Okay, so the fact that this works right now just made me completely excited. I am on the road. I had no idea. I thought I left my camera battery at home. Turns out it was in my book bag. Shout out to past Arkel for future prepping for this, but enjoy the ride. So we're about 5 minutes out from the actual car. I'm a little nervous, a little excited because this is a new project. Again, I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see the condition of the car. Either way, it's a parts car. Just wait and see. We're almost there. Got about like 2 miles left. Yeah, I'm pumped, low key. I'm not gonna show it when I'm there. I'm just gonna hitch it to the trailer and keep it pushing. Probably stop somewhere. Stay tuned, guys.
1 hour later.
So yeah, the last time you actually saw me, I probably was just getting the car. As you can see, we're back at the shop. Let's see what we got. Another 350Z. So as you can see, here it is, the new project, if you will. I haven't even gone inside the car and like deep dived on it. I literally just dropped it off and then left. So now that I have time, I can literally come back and work on it, go through it, and that's kind of what I'm here to do today.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Let me see if you can see me. Yes, sir. Your boy, fresh out of work. I'm playing Inspector Gadget right now. When you too broke like me and you don't want to pay for the right parts to do the right shit, you make it work with a zip tie. Let me not connect this yet. I don't got the right pieces for this. And instead of being, you know, Mr. Do It the Right Way, I'm Mr. Dumbass. So what I did was I got a drill, some zip ties, and I drilled the hole in this little black piece. There's a clean ass hole in it. Are you? It works.
Yeah. Don't mind me, I look crazy.
It's crazy.
Going through the new Z.
Oh yeah, have you guys seen this yet?
Show them what it looked like, and I say I'm gonna go and dig through it.
Pretty much find a little slot over here that you could put a zip tie in. I'm sure y'all know how to use a zip tie. If you don't, slide on my DMs. Pause. You do that, you put one through the hole that you made right down there, you slide it through, you tighten that hole up. So now I'm just drill the other side because I only did this side and I got a little bit too excited. Yo, side quest with Jet. Yeah. I realized how stupid I look wearing, like working on a car in a button up and a pullover hoodie. I mean sweater. I'm straight from work out here, guys. Please don't fucking judge me. Alright. I don't think none of what I'm doing is ocean or food. This is not the right technique for none of this. And there we have a hole. Benjo zip ties, boys. It's gonna save your life. Hey, was that a spider? The f, bro?
Whoever owned this was on the shits.
Love it. Nah, that's crazy. If you drinking Henny nips out there, you need to reevaluate your life. How bad is your day that you drinking nips of Henny, bro? That's why the car is clapped. This motherfucker's probably 15. Damn, we just read his whole government and this might go on YouTube. Yeah. He's like, hey big dog, I bought your car.
Hell no.
Hey!
That's a DVD player?
Wait, what?
I found a DVD player.
He has a DVD player. Why does he have a DVD player? Isn't the kid like 12 years old?
No, what?
That's actually insane. I wasn't even talking to y'all this whole time, I'm so sorry. But pretty much find a latch, just like I said on that side. Put it on and put it through the hole. You get it to loop up and you get a nice little angle just like this. Right there. You see I got the zip tie down there on another latch. And then it's right through the hole that we made through that plastic. Don't judge me for being a dumbass. Yeah, so that's through there. I wouldn't recommend tightening it up all the way because you gotta get that side on. So we about to do that. Side quest with Jet. I hope you ain't hear that shit, bro. Well, same concept. I already had it through the latch. It's kind of set up over here. But now we're just gonna put it through that little hole that we made earlier. Now you can tighten it all the way because we ain't worried about Nathan. Bow. There's gonna be a little thing here. You cut that hole. Whatever you wanna do, leave it out. Looks stupid as hell. I might not. I'm ratchet, but I don't want it to look stupid. On this side, you just gotta pick up, do the same thing you just did on that side. This is all getting replaced eventually. I just want to know that when I drive, this hole won't pop up on me when I'm driving. And that's the goal. And we about to go see this dude's DVD player, whatever the hell he found inside his car. What you got to say to the people, my boy?
Okay. So upon looking in this car and taking parts out, we discovered the DVD player. You see the DVD player all the way in the back there? Oh, I don't know where it's at. But either way, it's back here. Spider webs and shit. But you could tell all this wiring and all the other shit will lead right up to it. Henny bottles and fucking DVD players and an $800 pickup. Gotta love it.
Henny nips is this.
Henny nips is
nasty word.
I'm not with you on Henny nips though. Henny nips, no, get out of here.
But no one should support that shit.
PVV Gabriel, appreciate you, dog.
You did us justice with this one, big dog.
Long ass name.
That boy got 3 first names. Why you like this?
I wish I did.
Esteban Julio Ricardo Montoya de Rosa Ramirez Atif.
Yeah, yo, honestly. Let me not sound racist. I'm Puerto Rican. It's not racist.
Just talk that shit, bro.
Dude, I don't know what else to look at. This is pretty sick though.
I can't even get the focus.
That's been my problem with this camera. I need a new one.
Yeah.
You guys keep liking though.
Yeah, hold it down. We gonna upgrade eventually. But the red look nice in pictures.
The black and red, yeah. It's just dirty as shit.
I get a view of this shit. It's a complete interior for them.
Yeah, full interior, low key.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
It's just
what's up with like
hell.
Nissans and just shitty dashes? Hey,
I got 3 of them.
We got saggy glove boxes. Y'all got fucked up dashboards.
And oil issues.
It came with a motor though.
Yeah, motor and trans. Everything
This
for
boy
the cars.
JDM as hell.
You think it's real? I don't think it's real.
I don't think it's real. It look like an eBay one, but you know we're gonna try to flex.
We're gonna flex like it is, though.
Fake it till you make it, bro.
Fake it till you make it.
Big fan of this cop.
Big fan of the pickup too. Yeah.
Bro bought 2 Z's in a matter of 2 months.
Like 30 something days.
For $1 a day.
For $1 a day. Stop my Z.
In the arms of the angel.
Yep. That's gonna clean up pretty nice. Dude, I can't be that. This is probably the best Z that I've picked up out of all 3 of them. Chassis wise.
That's saying something. I was a big fan of this one.
I'm a big fan of this one though. I'm a big fan.
This one's just got memory, you know?
Yeah.
It's just got history here. It's the best piece of paperweight we got.
It's a good shop table.
Yeah. I love breaking the bleed on that, you know?
Yeah.
And then this. Ooh. Ooh. Probably gonna get rap guys, don't get mad at me. Realistically, I should try to drive like this. You know, I'm not soft, feel me? We really built like that. I'm different. Stupid trying to drive. Hell no, I'm going down the size of the tire. If y'all got recommendations, let me know. Or just throw hella camber at it.
I said whoever decided to do this car, this is the horn. I don't know why this would be the fuck here where the power steering goes, but not my problem. I mean, it is my problem. Now I bought the
This your life, bro.
I know.
You chose this chassis. You chose 3 of them hoes.
I chose 3 of them bitches.
Yeah, you said not 1 but 3.
Not 1 but 3.
You getting reverse gangbang.
Hey, yo!
I can say that on YouTube. I don't think.
Yeah.
We not even monetized on something with a K in it.
No, I'll admit this. I had 2 other cars lined up besides
We have an
the
admission
Z.
right now.
So if I didn't pick the Z up, I did have a Honda lined up and a BMW lined up. I ended up picking up this, so yeah. Who knows? We might end up with a Honda in here one of these days.
You looking at? Listen. What thinking about?
It was.
Listen!
Yeah. P.S. Y'all, I'm gonna work on this soon. I'm just not really feeling it right now. If I'm being completely honest, I ain't even gonna lie no more. I've been bullshitting this whole time, but hey, we got this man here giving me motivation. We came out. I did something small. I'm gonna take my wins. Fuck y'all. Talk shit in the captions. I should really be a lot nicer. I don't know why I'm so negative right now.
One of those days, the rain doesn't help. Can we talk about how my depression is coming back just because the fucking Mother Nature want to go ahead and have 2 hurricanes back to back in my hood? You gotta check in with me, shorty. Fuck is you saying? I'm like Prince J to fucking the world. But yeah, no, I hate being sad inside because of the rain, but you can't be outside in the rain because you're gonna get sick. Unless you wanna see me do it like for Lil Saint and shit.
Give us the strength that we need to win this battle. Amen. In your name we pray. Amen. Lil Saint, this one for you, baby.
I'll do that shit, start breaking. But yeah, we back. That was my little rant. It's disgusting outside. I don't know if you can even hear the rain in the background. And my forehead looks so fucking shiny, son. This shit's crazy.
I gotta get a wide angle lens for it.
Damn, I really want to drive this shit, but I hate working on it because I don't know where to start. I'm fucking overwhelmed. It's not even that much. I just can't explain it. But we here.
We are here. We'll get these shits done. We got a deadline.
I got a deadline I'm gonna beat. I'm gonna get this shit done by like February. I'm gonna get back from Puerto Rico and go crazy.
What's up?
What you checking?
No, I'm just looking. I mean, I literally dropped the car off yesterday.
I haven't got a chance to do shit.
I haven't even got a chance. This shit's gotta come off. Either way, it's dirty.
I personally feel like it gives it character.
And I have to put this one. I could throw the other one up there.
You look like a real takeover kid
I really
with
would.
this shit hanging off. The VQ is already at the start.
Yeah, this was a takeover car. Let's be real.
Let's be real.
Red Z was a takeover car.
That was definitely a takeover car.
You could tell.
Bro
it was a
admitted
takeover
that
car.
you got a cut
Yeah.
bumper. You either on a toge or a fucking takeover.
Yeah, but the kid before that, oh my god, takeover kid.
Hey man, shout out to you though. We saving it.
Yeah.
Bro got fucking Henny Nips chilling with his permit fucking paperwork right there.
With eBay.
Yeah, bro, you knew he was a fucking takeover kid.
I'm not trying to be racist or anything, but he probably was one of those builders that like.
That was just like, I'm not trying to be racist count. You
Yo.
gotta so far. You gotta limit the 3
how
per
like people
video.
say, yeah, like no homo, no racial.
No racial.
No racial. Bring that shit back.
Bring that shit back.
No racial. Like, this was somebody who put this shit together. You could tell. AutoZone parts, fucking.
He did his shit, bro.
Amazon, eBay. He did. Oh, yeah.
He did
For what
his
it's
shit.
worth.
For what it's worth, he did his shit.
I appreciate you a lot.
Hey man, you
Aftermarket
did
headlights,
something. You
aftermarket
tried.
tails. Either that or this was like an early like. This was like that when wide bodies became a thing car.
Yeah, I think
Like
so too.
you could tell. Like I wanted to fit in with like that. I feel you. This would have been me with my Eclipse before manual. Like before I went to manual swap it. This was those years of me.
That was me with my S300. I was one of those kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was a dickhead.
Not saying that because we had automatics. No, we are saying that
I
because we had automatics.
I had an automatic S300. Oh my god, we ain't canceled so bad, bro. This is gonna be terrible.
I saved Josh in that last one. I got it. We
Yeah,
good.
Josh, he was out of pocket, bro.